Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to benchmark your CPU and GPU on Linux. So, first of all, in order to do it, we have to go into terminal, because I will show you how to do it in terminal. So, I will press show apps and open terminal. And right now, we will start with CPU. We can do it by installing the tool that name is sysbench. So, I will install it, sudo apt install and sysbench. I will press enter and type in the password. Right now, do we want to continue? We have to agree, so I will press yes. And we are installing. And it's very important to say that I'm doing it on the virtual machine, so my results, especially for GPU, might be not that accurate as yours, so you have to consider it. But if you are doing it on the normal PC and normal system and not on the virtual machine, it will work fine, and you can test it. You can basically benchmark your GPU and CPU like that. We'll start with GPU as I said before, so sysbench CPU, and right now minus CPU minus max minus prime, and we will set it equal to 20,000, and we will type in run. We are basically benchmarking our CPU right now. As you can see, thread started. Prime numbers limit, it is 20,000, so you can set it, for example, for 100,000 if you want to make it a little bit longer. But for me, CPU speed events per second 1860, and as you can see, total number of events, it is almost above 18,000. Total time 10 seconds, so you can divide it this number by this, and we will get this result. You have a latency right there, and the thread fairness, so events, as I said before, this is right there, and execution time almost at the 10. And right now, this is how can you benchmark your CPU. And now we can move to the GPU benchmark. It will be a little bit interesting because we would have animations in this. So sudo apt install, and the name of it is glmark2. I will press enter, and right now, do you want to continue? Yes. And we can install our benchmark tool like this, and we can clear that. And how do we start the GPU benchmark test? For me, the result might be really low because the virtual machine don't have a physical graphic card, only the adapter, but for you it will work fine. So glmark2, and we can just press enter. And as you can see, we have the animations. And we will have this animation for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on your computer and how fast it will go, maybe 2 minutes if your computer is really fast. And after it, we will have a score. So, as you can see, it switched, and it will be switching for, I guess, like 15 to 20 times, so you can do it like this. I will maybe speed up the video to not waste your time, and you can do it also on your own computer. You can do this benchmark. So I will speed up the video, and I will go back to you with the result. And as you can see, it locked me out, but my benchmark is finished. My score is 75, so I think it's not a big score. Your might be bigger, but it's okay. It was only for tests. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.